if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
This live event interrupted by what sounded like gunfire. We're still waiting to confirm if it was indeed gunfire, but sounded like shots rang out from the back of the crowd somewhere as we saw former President Trump drop to the floor. He was in the middle of speaking just minutes into his campaign speech at this event, the last event before the Republican National Convention this week. The crowd, obviously strong, enjoying his presence, and then all of a sudden you heard that noise and you saw Secret Service agents rush to former President Trump's aid. He rose from the floor and he pumped his fist a few times, looking back on the crowd, almost to let them know, you know what, I'm okay. And not only am I okay, we're going to make it through this. But we still do not know exactly what the condition of former President Trump is, whether he was struck in any way, how much of an injury he has, if any. But we did see blood on the side of his head. And again, we don't know where that blood may have come from. There are so many unanswered questions